Hey guys, welcome to Majesty Hairtique, and this is our wash day routine. So I'm starting here with really dry hair. My hair's been in twists for about 4 to 6 weeks. And I'm just starting out with really dry hair. So this is my hair when it's untwisted. Today we're going to be using the Crownique Detangler as well as the Crownique Detangler Mister bottle. That'll be available on Black Friday. And then we're just going to go ahead and show you the texture of my hair. It's really dry. Like I said, it's been twisted up for about 6 weeks. So it is just a hot mess right now. So what I'll do is separate my hair into 4 sections so it's easier for me to detangle. So that's what I'm doing right here. So now that the hair is detangled, I'll go ahead and use my mister to saturate my hair. And what I want to do is literally make my hair super wet. My hair is normal porosity, but my ends have a little higher porosity. So we just want to make sure that we saturate it from roots to ends. That way I can go ahead and add the detangler cream on top of it. Please excuse the noise in the background, but it's hard for me to record in a quiet place. So right now I'm just making sure that the water gets into my hair. I'm using gloves right now just so I can have that extra slip once I add the detangler. But for right now, we're just making sure that my hair is fully wet. So there we have the Crownique Detangler cream. It's available on majestybeauties.com. And I use a pretty generous amount. I'm very heavy-handed too, so that kind of adds to it. But I'm going to go ahead and add all of that into this one section of my hair. Making sure I concentrate on the shaft of my hair and the ends of my hair so that it'll be easier for me to detangle. Making sure that I use water with this because that's what adds the extra slip to my hair. So you'll see me making sure that there's enough product into my hair, and eventually I'll be able to literally pull my strands apart, literally strand by strand, and it almost works immediately. So we'll just see that. Right now I'm just working it in. So I'm doing the first part of this video in slow motion because I want you to see how long it really takes for this to actually detangle my hair, which is not long at all. You'll actually be able to see me pull strand for strand again. You'll see. Minimal effort. I'm just really careful because my hair has been tied up for so long. So I'll be doing this with literally every section. It takes a little while, but I have patience. It usually takes me all day to wash my hair, but I kind of just take one day and do it, and I make sure I do it right. So it takes a while. So back and forth, I'll be wetting my hair, adding product, wetting my hair, adding product, just to make sure that it slips and I don't pop my hair while I'm trying to detangle. Also very important to note here that I believe in finger detangling only. You'll hardly ever see me use a comb in my hair, and I found that it's the best way to not damage my hair. And I still end up getting out all of the dead hair because I just finger rake through it once my hair is detangled. But you will hardly ever see me use a comb in my hair to detangle. It's just better, I think. So this is me finger raking through it, and I've sped up the video so you can see this next section and it won't take as long. I just wanted to explain what I do. So again, we're doing the exact same method, but it's sped up so we can get through this video. I don't want to keep you here all day. But we're spraying it down, making sure it's wet. Adding the Crownique Detangler, alternating between spraying and adding a little more Detangler. And then we'll go ahead and finger separate. So I'll be quiet and let you watch now. So I just detangled it. Now I'm gonna go and rinse it. So now that I've rinsed it, still got the twist in. I'm gonna go in with my shampoo, the Rain Cloud shampoo, sorry. And it's in the scent peppermint that I love so dearly. And I'm just gonna use the balls of my fingers to rub my scalp. And then I realized that I'm not wearing my gloves and I have on nails, so I'm gonna go put on some gloves now. So now that we have the gloves on, now I can get in there real good and not worry about snagging my hair. I'm a hot mess, y'all, but I didn't realize that my scalp was so like itchy. So you'll see me rubbing for quite some time. But again, this is a peppermint scent, so it really just makes my scalp feel really clean. So I'm showing here that I'm using the balls of my fingertips, not my nails. Getting in my scalp real good. And so it's really, really fast. Then I'll go ahead and rub it all the way down into the ponytails themselves, making sure that I'm cleaning my hair all the way through. And then again, I'm gonna go and rinse. So now my hair is clean, my scalp is cleaned, my hair feels really good, and now it's time to add my conditioner, which will double as a leave-in conditioner. So this is the Rain Clouds conditioner. It's one of my top sellers actually, on majestybeauties.com. This one is also in the peppermint scent. And I'm just gonna add it all over to my hair, saturate my hair with it. And then what I'll do is add a thermal cap and let it sit for a little while before I semi-rinse it out. I won't rinse the whole thing out, but I'll semi-rinse it. And then I'll come back and let you know what I'm doing next. So this is a self-heating thermal cap, so I'll just stuff all of my hair into it, and what it'll do is use my own body heat to warm up. So this will sit for about 20 to 30 minutes. Heating cap is off. I've rinsed just a little bit. And then right now I'll probably just be adding a little bit more water because my hair like loves the moisture. And then I'll go in and separate my hair because this stuff is just too much to deal with at this point. So next I'm going to go in with an oil, my Raindrops Moisturizing Conditioning Hair Growth Oil. This is the top selling product on majestybeauties.com. It comes in 4 different scents. But I'll be making sure that I run this through my hair, making sure it goes through each strand. And then I'll follow it with the new whipped shea butter moisture seal. And then I'll be doing the shingling method with my hair, just until, you know, it separates and looks really good. Trying to define my curls a little more. And then I'll do this with every section as well. So this is how it looks when I am done with it. I'm just going to let it dry. And I'll be back with pictures to show you the finished look.